Hello, geometry students. Okay, so here we go. So we're talking about surface area or lateral area or both of a pyramid. In other words, how much wrapping paper does it take to wrap a pyramid? I wish I had my stuff from school with me right now. I don't have a good pyramid. I'm thinking I'm looking around my house. I can't find pyramids. Kind of weird to have one, I guess, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe everyone should have a pyramid. I don't though. Unfortunately, I don't have a pyramid. So we're going to go with this. Okay, so they want to know the surface area, not the lateral surface area. Remember, there's two things. There's the surface area, and it is the lateral surface area, or lateral area. So the surface area means you want to cover every surface on this thing. That includes the bottom. So you want this wrapped up, okay? Now, the other way, the lateral area is just the sides. So in this case, it's the four triangles that make up this pyramid. Like you see, there's a square bottom pyramid. Now, it's important to understand there's different types of bottom size pyramids, especially among regular pyramids. Regular pyramids mean all these four, and that's the only one we're going to really be looking at. All these four triangles are all exactly the same. Oh, okay. I get this. We're starting to get here. And it says, well, if all four of these are exactly the same, that makes things a little bit easier. I don't have to calculate the base. I don't have to put any wrapping paper on that square on the bottom. I just have to worry about these four triangles. But they're all exactly the same. Okay? Alright, so what is the surface area of this pyramid? But they want to know the surface area. That means they want to know everything. So what lateral area is this that we're going to have to calculate two separate things. Okay. Lateral area is what we'll calculate first. So we're going to think about these two triangles. Okay? These two triangles, these four triangles. Why did I say two? I apologize. Four. I should know better than that. Our area for one triangle is 1/2, remember, base times height. Well, I do have a base. Let's look at this triangle here on the left. I do have a base, and if this is a square, this must also be big. And fortunately, if I have S, a slant height, okay, this slant height, S, is our actual height of this triangle. So I can find the area of this triangle. But I know an important thing. This triangle and this triangle are the same. This triangle over here and this triangle over here is the same. So what I'm going to do for the lateral area of this triangle is I'm going to say I'm going to take the area of four triangles. Because I want to do it 4 times. So I can just multiply it by 4. I'm just going to load, for inside the parentheses, I'm going to concern myself with 1/2 this base, right? So I got this base here, which is really just the side of a triangle, a rectangle, a square. I'm losing my mind. And my S, okay, I'm going to call this a B. My base size times S, which is my here. So 1/2 BS. Appropriate for this lesson. Maybe. I hope not. Maybe it is. 1/2 BS. But they tell me what B is, okay? A base edge, B, is 5. And a slant height, S, is 3. I'm okay with this. Because I'm going to say, well, I can find the lateral area, the sides of all the triangles, in area, by just using my calculator now. I'm very happy with this. Even though it looks messy, I have all the information. That's really all you can ask for. That makes everything easy. So I'm going to do parentheses 4, parentheses 1/2, parentheses 5, and parentheses 3. Hit enter. 30. Great, I love it. Okay, so the lateral area is 30 meters squared. Now, that's okay, but they want the surface area. They say, how much wrapping paper do we have to do the whole thing? Well, I got the triangles. The only thing left is now in the middle, I have this square. I'm going to use my green again. This square, what's the area of this square? Well, we also know the square is also a rectangle, and it's base times height, so the base is the same. So our surface area is I'm going to use this term. Watch this here. Lateral area plus B. Big B means base area. Little b just means base. Big B means base area. So I have to find the area of this square, which is not the biggest deal. So lateral area, I already know, is 30 meters squared. Plus that base area, well, that's B times B. In our case, B is 5. 5 times 5. Base times height. So when I add these up, when I do this, I got 30 meters squared. 5 times 5 is 25 squared. Now I'm just up to, oh my God, I'm sorry. Getting too carried away and running out of paper here. I'm so excited about this. 30 plus 25. 55 meters. It's not 35 squares, meters squared. Meters squared. Okay. There is the guided notes which has all this information here. Okay. We're going to get to the importance of knowing what everything is here in the next lesson, but remember, the side here, the side slant height is going to be the one that we haven't touched before, and we'll touch it in a second. You guys are doing a great job. Just stick with me. We're getting near the end. All right.